Hey, little ocean adventurers! Let's discover 50 sea animals and amazing facts. Let's dive in. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphins are super smart and love to play in the ocean. They talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Dolphins can jump high out of the water almost like they're flying. Fish.
Fish.
Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some even glow in the dark. They breathe underwater using special parts called gills. Some fish, like clownfish, live in sea anemones to stay safe. Whale.
Whale.
Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. Some are as long as 3 school buses. They sing beautiful songs to talk to each other. Even though they live in water, whales need to come up for air just like us. Shark.
Shark.
Sharks have been around since the time of dinosaurs. They have super strong teeth, and if one falls out, a new one grows back. Not all sharks are big and scary. Some are as small as your hand. Octopus.
Octopus.
An octopus has 8 arms and can squeeze into tiny spaces. It can change colors to hide from predators like a magic trick. Octopuses are super smart and can even open jars to get food. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish have wiggly, jiggly bodies and no bones. Some jellyfish glow in the dark deep in the ocean. They float with the ocean currents like underwater balloons. Crab.
Crab.
Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways. They use their big claws to grab food and protect themselves. Some crabs hide in shells and switch to bigger ones as they grow. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles have been swimming in the ocean for millions of years. Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs and race to the water. They can hold their breath for a long time while swimming. Squid.
Squid.
Squids have 10 arms that are super long for grabbing food. They can squirt ink to escape from predators, like a magic smoke screen. Some squids can glow in the dark deep in the ocean. Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobsters have strong claws to grab food and dig in the sand. They can live for a very long time, some over 50 years. A lobster's shell doesn't grow, so it has to shed its old one to get bigger. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Seahorses are tiny fish that swim upright like little underwater horses. Daddy seahorses carry babies in their pouch until they are ready to hatch. They use their curly tails to hold onto sea plants so they don't float away. Starfish.
Starfish.
Starfish have 5 arms, but some can have even more. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. They don't have a brain, but they can still move and find food. Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish can puff up into a big round ball to scare away predators. Some pufferfish have tiny spikes on their bodies when they puff up. Even though they look cute, some pufferfish are very poisonous. Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes and love to hide in sea anemones. They are great swimmers and wiggle their bodies to move through the water. Clownfish families live together and take care of each other. Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Angelfish come in bright colors like yellow, blue, and orange. They have flat, round bodies that help them glide smoothly through the water. Some angelfish live in coral reefs and hide among the rocks. Eel.
Eel.
Eels have long, slippery bodies that look like underwater snakes. Some eels hide in rocks and coral, peeking out to surprise their food. They can swim by wiggling their bodies like a ribbon in the water. Stingray.
Stingray.
Stingrays have flat, round bodies that glide smoothly along the ocean floor. They hide under the sand to stay safe from predators. Their long tails have a stinger, but they only use it to protect themselves. Manta ray.
Manta ray.
Manta rays are giant, gentle creatures that flap their fins like wings. They love to do flips and glide through the ocean like they're flying. Even though they are huge, they only eat tiny sea creatures called plankton. Murray eel.
Murray eel.
Murray eels have sharp teeth and love to hide in rocky caves. They open and close their mouths to help them breathe underwater. Some Murray eels have bright colors, like green and yellow, to blend into the ocean. Humpback whale.
Humpback whale.
Humpback whales sing beautiful songs that can be heard 4 miles underwater. They love to jump out of the water and splash back down with a big splash. Their flippers are super long, almost like wings, helping them swim gracefully. Blue whale?
Blue whale.
Blue whales are the biggest animals in the world, bigger than any dinosaur. Even though they are huge, they eat tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Orca.
Orca.
Orcas, also called killer whales, are black and white and super fast swimmers. They live in family groups and talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead sharks have wide, flat heads that help them see in all directions. They love to swim in warm ocean waters and hunt for fish and squid. Great white shark.
Great white shark.
Great white sharks are big, powerful hunters with super sharp teeth. They can smell even a tiny drop of blood in the water from far away. When they hunt, they swim fast and jump high out of the ocean. Sea otter.
Sea otter.
Sea otters love to float on their backs and hold hands while they rest. They use rocks to crack open shells and eat yummy seafood. Their thick fur keeps them warm in cold ocean waters. Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Sea lions have strong flippers that help them swim super fast. They love to bark and play together on the beach. On land, they can walk on all fours and even climb on rocks. Walrus.
Walrus.
Walruses have big, long tusks that help them break ice and climb onto land. They love to huddle together in groups to stay warm. Even though they are big, they can swim gracefully through icy waters. Manatee.
Manatee.
Manatees are gentle, slow-moving sea animals that love to eat plants. They have round, chubby bodies and paddle-like tails for swimming. Manatees float near the surface and sometimes pop their noses up for air. Penguin.
Penguin.
Penguins are playful birds that love to slide on their bellies across the ice. Even though they can't fly, they are amazing swimmers and zoom through the water. Penguins live in big family groups and take turns keeping their eggs warm. Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Tiger sharks have stripes on their bodies, just like a tiger. They are powerful hunters and will eat almost anything they find. These sharks love to explore warm, tropical waters around the world. Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Barracudas are long, fast fish with super sharp teeth. They can zoom through the water like a rocket when chasing prey. Their shiny, silver bodies help them blend in with the ocean. Tuna fish.
Tuna fish.
Tuna are super fast swimmers and can travel long distances across the ocean. They have strong, torpedo-shaped bodies that help them zoom through the water. Tuna live in big groups called schools and work together to find food. Blue tang.
Blue tang.
Blue tangs are bright blue fish with yellow tails that stand out in the ocean. They love to swim around coral reefs and hide among the rocks. When they feel scared, they can tuck into small spaces to stay safe. Blue marlin.
Blue marlin.
Blue marlins are powerful fish with long, pointed bills that help them catch food. They are some of the fastest swimmers in the ocean, speeding through the water. Their bright blue color helps them blend in with the deep sea. Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Lionfish have beautiful, spiky fins that spread out like a lion's mane. Even though they look pretty, their spines have venom to protect them from predators. They glide slowly through the water and use their fins to trap small fish. Nudibranch.
Nudibranch.
Nudibranches are tiny sea slugs that come in bright, beautiful colors. Some can glow, and others have patterns that help them blend into coral and rocks. Even though they are small, some nudibranches can be poisonous to keep predators away. Electric eel.
Electric eel.
The electric eel lives in South America. It makes electricity to find food and stay safe. It can shock fish and predators. Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crabs don't grow their own shells, they find empty ones to live in. As they grow bigger, they switch to new shells that fit them better. Some hermit crabs even decorate their shells with seaweed to help them blend in. Beluga whale.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whales are bright white and can make lots of funny sounds, like whistles and clicks. They have big, round foreheads that help them make different facial expressions. Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish can change their colors and patterns in an instant to blend in with their surroundings. They have big, W-shaped eyes that help them see really well underwater. Even though they are called fish, they are actually relatives of squids and octopuses. Stonefish.
Stonefish.
Stonefish are masters of disguise, looking just like a rough, bumpy rock. They are one of the most venomous fish in the ocean, with sharp spines on their backs. Goby.
Goby.
Gobies are tiny fish that love to hop and wiggle along the ocean floor. Some gobies team up with shrimp, sharing a burrow and helping each other stay safe. They come in bright colors and patterns, making them fun to spot in coral reefs. Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air to escape predators. Their long fins act like wings, helping them soar above the ocean's surface. They can glide for long distances before splashing back into the waves. Surgeonfish.
Surgeonfish.
Surgeonfish have sharp, blade-like spines near their tails that help protect them from predators. They love to swim in coral reefs and eat algae to keep the reefs clean. Parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish have beak-like teeth that help them scrape algae off rocks and coral. They can change colors as they grow, and some can even change from female to male. When they sleep, some parrotfish create a bubble of mucus around themselves to stay safe. Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crabs have hard, dome-shaped shells that look like helmets. Even though they are called crabs, they are more closely related to spiders and scorpions. They have blue blood, which helps scientists make medicines to keep people healthy. Garfish.
Garfish.
Garfish have long, thin bodies with sharp, needle-like snouts. They love to swim near the surface and can even jump out of the water. Their bones are green, but they are completely safe to eat. Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchins have round, spiky shells that help protect them from predators. They use tiny tube-like feet to move slowly along the ocean floor. Some sea urchins have poisonous spines, so other animals stay away from them. Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumbers look like squishy, bumpy tubes crawling along the ocean floor. When they feel threatened, some can spit out their insides to scare away predators. They help keep the ocean clean by eating tiny bits of waste and sand. Sea anemones.
Sea anemones.
Sea anemones look like colorful underwater flowers, but they are actually animals. They have wiggly tentacles that sting tiny fish and pull them in for food. Clownfish can live safely inside sea anemones because they are immune to their sting. Wow, we've explored 50 amazing sea animals and discovered some incredible facts. Now, it's your turn. When you see the photo, try to say the name of the sea animal with me. Think you can do it. Let's find out. Ready? Let's go. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Fish.
Fish.
Whale.
Whale.
Shark.
Shark.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Crab.
Crab.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Squid.
Squid.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Eel.
Eel.
Stingray.
Stingray.
Manta ray.
Manta ray.
Murray eel.
Murray eel.
Humpback whale.
Humpback whale.
Blue whale.
Blue whale.
Orca.
Orca.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Great white shark.
Great white shark.
Sea otter.
Sea otter.
Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Walrus.
Walrus.
Manatee.
Manatee.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Tuna fish.
Tuna fish.
Blue tang.
Blue tang.
Blue marlin.
Blue marlin.
Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Nudibranch.
Nudibranch.
Electric eel.
Electric eel.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whale.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Stonefish.
Stonefish.
Goby.
Goby.
Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Surgeonfish.
Surgeonfish.
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab.
Garfish.
Garfish.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Sea anemones.
Sea anemones.
Wow, that was amazing. Hope you learned a lot today. See you next time.